Hello guys, if you are looking for affordable yet eye-pleasing, elegant, rugged smartphone, look no further. This latest rugged phone combines excellent water, dust and shock resistance with a thin body and a lightweight premium-looking design. Sony rear camera, a durable battery that provides 50 days on standby time and much more. Be sure to check out this HOTWAV T7 video review to learn more about this durable yet sleek device. Okay, let's start with unboxing and we'll see what's inside this black box. Right above our phone, that we'll put it the side for now, we find additionally tempered glass, although this phone already comes with the installed screen protector out of the box. What else do we have here? We have two wipes in case we want to install the tempered glass, SIM pin, the detailed phone user manual written in many languages, USB Type-C cable, and finally the charger. Now that we examine the contents of the box, let's refocus our attention on the smartphone itself. The overall build quality, balance, toughness and style. Despite its rugged nature, the HOTWAV T7 managed to maintain a degree of aesthetic appeal, making it not just a functional device but also a visually pleasing one. While holding in your hand, you can't tell from anything that this is a cheap phone, but it really is. You can check the price in the official sales below this video. While maintaining a robust build, it weighs just 292 grams and measures a mere 12.8 mm in thickness, which is very commendable by the standards of robust phones. You can carry it so easily without feeling the difference from conventional smartphones. The back is from a camera looking finish, looks great and premium. All sides of a T7 are made of polycarbonate. The aluminum frame on the side gives a dose of additional strength and the thickened edges protects it in case of a fall. So on the right side of the aluminum frame we have the power button. On the opposite side we have volume buttons, as well as under this rubber cover that guarantees 100% water resistant. We find a SIM card drawer which has two slots for as many as two 4G SIM cards, or the option of one SIM and one memory card at the same time. On the bottom side we find the USB Type-C port protected by a robust rubber flap that ensures a waterproof seal when its charging cable is removed. Next to it is a microphone hole and a fairly loud speaker. From the front, between this interesting red frame that represents the sporty accent and robustness of the phone and protects the screen. And let's not forget how the screen of the T7 is equipped with the selectively chosen durable Dragon glass designed to surpass standard glass. Dragontrail enhanced drop performance by 150% and increased scratch resistance by 200%, ensuring superior protection against daily water and a tier of scratches, bumps and drops. The T7 sports an excellent 6.52-inch HD Plus IPS display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. This provides a pleasant experience for enjoying multimedia content, games and photos. Regarding screen brightness, which is 450 nits, I encountered no issues with visibility on bright sunny days. The display remains bright and reliable in various lighting conditions. With a 16Hz display, don't expect groundbreaking features, but everything functionally correctly and meets expectations within this price range. The vibrant screen and the acceptable black value contribute to a commendable contrast ratio, enhancing color representation on the screen. Colors remain mostly accurate, clear and sharp enough for pleasant viewing on the content on the screen. For users with moderate expectations, this screen is more than capable for daily web browsing, social media use, and if you need all-day YouTube video viewing without problems. As for the front camera, we find the 8-megapixel selfie camera lens, which will handle all your selfies and video calls flawlessly. Shifting our focus on the back of the set of lenses that are in this rather impressive looking round module, we find the dual camera system with the 21 megapixel Sony main camera, which brings vibrant colors and indicates details in every photo, from landscapes to portraits. It will be a versatile companion for everyday photography, so you'll get solid photos in this price range. The smartphone also supports 1080 pixel video recording at 30 fps. Now, to get a feel for camera performance, it's the best to check out few samples that we took using our T7 camera, so let's take a look. The T7 runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, showcasing exceptional multitasking capabilities and seamless app switching. It delivers a pristine Android experience, free from unnecessary bloatware and unexpected odds. The pre-installed Google Play Store ensures all the latest applications and games and the regular updates. The T7 provides extensive customization options, empowering users to personalize dark theme, wallpapers, interface color, and all other features supported by the latest Android version. The phone interface is in pure Android, which is good and comes without any additional bloatware applications. In terms of performance, the T7 stands out, effortlessly handling tasks and applications without any noticeable lag. You can even enjoy in a wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the phone's MT8788 octa-core processor, which is a mix of a powerful hardware plus a 4G LTE modem integrated into a power-efficient 12nm technology. Incorporates 4 ARM Cortex-A73 high-performance cores plus 4 Cortex-A53 power-efficient cores, all operating on the 2 GHz. Graphic is powered by a high-capable Mali-G72 MP3 graphics, operating up to 1800 MHz, ensuring optimal performance for both work and multimedia, providing a seamless energy-conscious phone experience that ensures sufficient gameplay across most games, but don't expect any miracles here. Regarding memory, the phone offers a maximum of up to 8 GB of RAM, comprising a base of 4 GB and an additional 4 GB of extended RAM, and that might be enough for on-demand users. With 128 GB of internal memory, which can be upgraded with a memory card of up to 2 TB, I believe that you will have plenty of space for all your applications, videos and photos. With a 6280 mAh battery, the T7 can be peacefully enjoyed in a full 2 days of use without any worries. The manufacturer promises of up to 15 days on standby, 30 hours of calls, 30 hours of gaming and 65 hours of listening music with one battery charge on this phone. The T7 supports GPS, GLONASS and Galileo positioning, and this 3-in-1 navigation system enhances the accuracy and reliability of location-based services for all your outdoors adventures, even in remote areas. Complete 4G LTE bands, no matter where you are in the world, the T7 can be used normally. On top of the usual 2.4 GHz frequencies, the T7 also supports a 5 GHz connection when you within a short distance from the router or hotspot. 5 GHz Wi-Fi can provide a higher speed and less interface. Let's not forget how T7 ensures high standards of durability, IP68 and IP69K rating, waterproofness and dust protection, Mil-STD 810Hg military grade toughness standard of drop resistance. The T7 behaves like a true warrior under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and tough handling works, providing extra strength and sturdy features between better waterproof and dust resistant performance. This phone is designed to challenging off-road conditions with all resistance certifications, providing incredible resistance and safety, also equipped with a durable Dragontrail glass for even better screen protection. In conclusion, the HOTWAV T7 is a game changer in the rugged phone category, defying expectations with its high quality and lightweight yet premium looking design. Packed with the features like exceptional water, dust and shock resistance, high accuracy GPS and a good camera setup, this durable device offers a sleek and modern aesthetics. The 6.52-inch HD Plus display provides a vibrant and enjoyable viewing experience, complemented by the Android 13 operating system. Overall, this smartphone combines toughness with the style, offering an impressive package at the appealing price point. If you like this HOTWAV T7, and the official sales links can be found below this video, don't miss your opportunity to take advantage of the current promotional pricing and get yourself a T7 today. Act quickly as the quantities are limited. That's all for now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye!